Hey guys, this is Janet Black with Lovin the Bling. My vlog today is basically just going to show you my office. I have two of them. I try to separate, I do separate my tumblers, epoxy, glitter, all that stuff away from my embroidery, anything that has to do with apparel. I separate them both because I don't want to get glitter and things like that on any of the apparel. And also, the tumblers need a certain temperature, so I try to keep it a lot warmer in that room so they cure a lot faster. So this is my embroidery office. It's basically, if you notice, the Nerf guns, this used to be my son's room. So I kind of like pushed my son out of the room and moved him to the other spare room. So yeah, his Nerf guns are still here and we still play with them. So I just left them there because, hey, it's much easier. Just keep them on the floor, keep them on the pegboard. So I have my, basically that little corner is my, like, junk corner. I don't get in there most of the time. So I got my box from my old PE 800 that I still have. I just want to keep the box. I have my light and my picture board I made. Basically what this is I found this on, I found a video. It's a, let me turn this light on. It's basically, it is the Michaels paper, and you can find in different colors and designs. And I just took a big box, laid it flat, basically untaped it and stuff, and laid it flat. Basically, it's an old FedEx box. Laid it flat, taped all the corners so they don't kind of bend, and put the paper in on top of it and taped it down. So this is my picture board. Like if I put a apparel on it and take pictures with my light, my little light. So I found these on Amazon. They basically, this one holds my envelopes, receipts, my priority mail envelopes and receipts. I don't typically ship my apparel priority mail, so I only have a few here. These are my envelopes, thank you cards. Clear envelopes. All these are on Amazon. I'll post the links all below for everything I use for my business. Clear envelopes. And I also have labels, because I do label all my clear envelopes with the, and I just got Avery labels and print these off of my printer, laser printer. I put my logo and what type of material, apparel it is, like it's a puffy sleeve shirt, the size and the color. That way, it's easy for me when I do sorting, and you'll see that shortly, how I sort all my blanks. These, I got these little things, cute little things on Amazon. And originally I bought them for blanks, but they are, if you notice, they're only that wide. So I don't think they were big enough for my blank t-shirts. So what I've used these for is my onesies, which are smaller. And sleepers, all my little baby infant sleepers. And then down here is shorts. Little polka dot shorts, striped shorts. So that's what I use for that. And at the top, I use it for my embroidery backing, all my embroidery, like my Tender Touch, Canna 505, things like that. Here's my big table that I absolutely love. I have another video on this. You can see and link it. You can look at my video on how I made put this together. I got this also from Amazon. Love Amazon. I got this from Michaels. It's really handy. It holds most of my fabric. You know, you can never have too much fabric. So I have some fabric just stashed in places. So here's all fabric. I try to sort it by color. And then down below is all my glitter vinyl. There's even some fabric and stuff down there. So yeah, I have way too much fabric. Now we'll go in here, and this is the closet. So I have all my extra tools. So I do buy all my tool in bulk, and I'll link where I get those. Very good prices, really quick shipping. Love them. They're giftinternational.com. These are all the things I've done, like for samples, but actually put them on a shirt, or these are extra dresses that I'm going to be listing soon. Hats, I haven't even tried doing hats yet, but here's some spare hats. And these are all the things that I have actually put on shirts or actual apparel. So Get this little guy out of the way. This is my mannequin. Love it too. Got this on an Etsy seller. Very great quality. I'll put the listing out here underneath this video, but very great quality. Didn't take long to get here, and it's perfect for what I'm wanting to use it for, which was display tutus and shirts, matching shirts. So I'll get her out of the way so I can show you. This you can basically get, I think, at Walmart, and it just connects to your hanger rod. This is holding all my sunsuits and dresses. I just put smallest size all the way down to size 6. I got these things, which are perfect for my shirts. So all your blank shirts, these are perfect for the shirts. Great deep baskets. I did get these from the Container Store. They were on sale, so I bought quite a few of them. I think I got everything they had left. Here's all my fabric, like thicker fabrics, more blankets and levies, all those fabrics. Down here are little blankets. These are all shirts, blank shirts from small, like newbie. Actually, these are like from 6 months on down to size 6. I don't go past size 6 yet because I still have a P800, and I really don't like rehooping just yet. I haven't mastered that yet. So now we're going to go over here, and this is Pegboard. Holds all my ribbons. So, well, most of my ribbons. It also holds one of my spool holders, and then here's my other spool holder, which I also got on Amazon. This is a nifty thing. I don't know if you've seen other videos of mine. This thing holds spools. Very great. I had bought 2 of them. One for my sewing machine, one for my P800. I got a couple of these. This is just one of them for this room. That's great. It fits underneath a large table perfectly. So, and then I also have, right underneath the TV, I have this little cubby, which is full of blanks. These are adult-sized jerseys. Some more fabric. Like, I could not have more fabric. Some more jerseys. And that's for taking pictures, little knickknacks for your photo, mock-up pictures. So that is the embroidery room. Now we'll go on to the tumbler room. The tumbler room is a little messy. It always is. I have my heat press in here. That's where I stick boxes, empty boxes of the ones I'm working on. Then I have all this glitter and blanks. These are really nice. They came from Walmart. So I have 3 rows of those, and all my glitter and my blank tumblers are up there. And this little nice desk came from Home Depot. I've had that for a while. All my vinyl is down there. I keep it in the tubes. It's a lot easier to keep it without getting dirty and stuff. My silhouette, another table. My sublimation printer is here. And then here is a whole table full of my turners. And then we have just shelves and shelves of sublimation blanks. Just blanks of things. Substrates, flags, aprons, you name it, that's in here. There's another tray of different, I have them sorted by size, like 30 ounces here, and then like the bullet, there's a tumbler that looks like a bullet. Then it goes from small to low, like 14-ounce wine all the way up to 30-ounce fatty, and then some spare different ones, like a Slurpee. And then this is where I let them dry and cure. I have paint. I craft a lot. So I have paint. There's pillowcases up there, burlap pillowcases. I craft a lot of different things just for fun and stuff too. This is where I actually do my labeling and decaling. And I said in another video, if you haven't got one of these, this is from Michael's. I love it. I basically have all my stuff I grab while I'm doing the tumblers. Got spray bottle, alcohol, acetone. These are really nifty for those different chemicals. Yeah, so this is my other office, which is my tumbler and do my tumblers and things like that. So thanks for watching. I link everything below. If you have any questions though on any of my products, I can definitely send you a link. Thanks for watching. Be sure you like and subscribe, because when I do hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm not sure what that is yet, but I will be doing something really cool. Thanks for watching. Bye.